educators, are you still using PowerPoint for your lectures? Don't worry, it's still a powerhouse tool. But what if I told you there's a way to take your PowerPoint game to the next level? Enter Gamma AI. In this video, I'll show you how to combine the familiarity of PowerPoint with the cutting-edge power of Gamma AI to create lectures that are engaging, efficient, and downright impressive. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with your trusty PowerPoint. Create your slides as you normally would. Add your content, visuals, and key points. But here's the thing. Don't stress about making it perfect. Gamma AI is about to take your slides and turn them into something extraordinary. Step 2. Upload your PowerPoint to Gamma AI. Just drag and drop your file and watch the magic happen. Gamma AI analyzes your slides, identifies key themes, and suggests enhancements. It's like having a design and content assistant rolled into one. Step 3. Enhance your slides. This is where Gamma AI shines. Add animations, interactive quizzes, or even AI-generated visuals to make your content pop. You can also use Gamma AI to simplify complex ideas or generate summaries for your students. It's all about making your lecture more engaging and accessible. Step 4. Export back to PowerPoint. Once you're happy with your enhancements, simply export your slides back to PowerPoint. Your updated presentation is now ready to go, with all the bells and whistles Gamma AI added. It's seamless and saves you hours of manual work. Step 5. Present like a pro. With your Gamma AI enhanced PowerPoint, you're not just delivering a lecture, you're creating an experience. Use interactive polls to check understanding, animations to highlight key points, and AI-generated Q&A prompts to keep the discussion flowing. Your students will love it, and you'll feel like a rock star. And there you have it, a step-by-step workflow to supercharge your PowerPoint lectures with Gamma AI. It's the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, designed to make your life easier and your lectures more impactful.